today we are going to start grade 8, chapter 4, data handling. Okay, so let's see which all topics we are going to cover in that. So as usually, like what we do, we first complete NCERT chapter and then we go with the worksheet. The same process will follow here. Okay, so let's see what all thing we are going to cover here. So first of all, we will see what is the daily life application of this data handling. Okay, and then we will see different types of graphs which we will make, like what are the graphs, like pictograph we'll see bar graph, and then we will see double bar graph. Okay, fine, then we will do few questions based on that. Then basically we will focus on circle graph or pie chart, right? How we draw these. And then we will do few questions based on that pie chart, and then how to draw pie chart with the help of percentage, degree. Okay, so we will see that one thing. Then we will do few examples, 1, 2 examples, and then we will come again with the questions where we need to draw pie chart. Okay, so this will exercise 4.1. And then we will, okay, there are 4-5 questions, and then we'll start chance and probability. In chance and probability, okay, first we will see that what are the chances, what is the result, chance, possible outcomes, what are the favorable outcomes, what are the equally likely outcomes. We'll see different types of outcomes. We will see, then we will see that how we can calculate probability. Okay, fine. Then chance and probability related to real life. Then we will see its real life applications. Okay, and based on that, we will do exercise 4.2, which consists of 6 questions. And that's it for this chapter. Okay, so basically, we will study about draw meaningful inference from any data, how we can organize like bar graph, double bar graph, pictograph. Then we will learn here how to draw a circle graph or pie chart, right? And then we will discuss about what is chance, what is equal chance. Then we'll discuss about random experiment, equally likely. Then what is probability. Okay, then what are the events and how this probability or chances are related to our daily life or real life. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, yes, children. So first of all, data handling. What is basically data? If I ask you like some numbers, okay, like if I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 7, 9. What are these? Okay. What are these? Can you tell me? No. You cannot tell me that, yes, what are these? Why? Because these are not providing any information. Fine. It means this is not basically data. Data is what? Which gives you some information. If I write here that yes, these are the marks of class test. Yes, now you can tell that, ma'am, these are the class test marks. It means what is this? These are providing you certain information. If such thing provides you certain information, it means what? It is data. Okay. So the information collected in all such cases is called data. Now, what are the different cases that in this textbook they have considered? Okay, so let's see. So here, first they have considered like runs made by a batsman. In the last 10 test matches, yes, that will be the data. Okay, because it is giving some information. Numbers of wickets taken by a bowler in last 10 ODIs, yes. It is giving you certain information, yes, in that last 10 ODIs, how many wickets are taken by the bowler. Then marks scored by the students of your class in mathematics unit test. Like just now I took example. Number of storybooks number of storybooks read by each of your friends. Okay, you can ask, okay, how many storybooks you have read? Like one can say 5, one can say 2, one can say I did not read any. One can say 15 also. So what are all these? These are data. Why? Because these are providing you certain information. Okay. So basically what is data? Data is nothing but information. Okay. Now, okay, we got the data, right? Then can you, if it is very small data, then yes, you can analyze that. But if it is like lot many datas are there, then what you will do with that data? How you will analyze? So for that, first of all, the presentation of data comes. Okay. Now presentation of data. So basically here we prefer geometrically or graphically presentation of data. So the first is pictograph. Okay, now here you can see that they are talking about 300, 400 cars, right? So without pictograph, it is very difficult to find. If I tell you, okay, this person in July, these many, in August, that many, in September, that many, it's very difficult to analyze, okay, to interpret the data. So that is why to interpretation, we represent the data in graphical methods. So the first method is pictograph, right? Now in pictograph, what we do, some pictures will be there, okay, and you will get a key. Key means where it is mentioned that what that picture is showing here. Like here it is key. Why? Because this one car equals to 100 car. Okay, it means this one symbol stands for 100 cars. So here you can see 100, here 100, but here it is half. Half means what? 50. Okay, so total 100 plus 100 plus 50, 250 cars. Here 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300 cars. Here 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. So how many cars? 400 cars, right? Okay, very good. Now here you can see few questions also, like on the base of pictograph, how you will like interpret. For that, questions are given. How many cars were produced in the month of July? 250. Absolutely correct. In which month were maximum number of cars produced? Quickly. Yeah, absolutely correct. In month of September, there are 400 cars. Okay. So I hope you understood this pictograph method. Okay. Basically, these are the pre-knowledge. Okay, that you should be aware. Because here, basically, we will draw pie chart, but you should be aware about all these, that what is pictograph, what is bar graph, what is double bar graph. About all these things, you should be aware. Okay. Right. Now, second question. Second question is a bar graph. A bar graph is what? A display of information using bars of uniform width. So here you can see these are the bars and their width is uniform. It means it is same. Okay, it is same. And according to the given data, we draw this. Fine. Now here, what is the information given by the bar graph? What it is telling? Academic year here and number of students in class 8. Okay, so what information it is telling? It is telling the number of students in grade 8 in different sessions. Okay. Now, second, in which year is the increase in the number of student maximum? So how you can see? You will see this distance, this difference. Here, this one, here, this much, here, this much, and here, this much. Now, where you can find maximum difference? Here. It means maximum increase in year 2004, right? In which year is the maximum, in which year is the number of students maximum? Obviously in 2007, 8, right? Because you can see here the bar is the longest bar. Now state whether true or false. The number of students during 2005-6 is twice the that of 2003-4. 2003-4 there are 100. Now 2005-6, 5-6. Okay. There are 250. Is it double? No, it's not twice. It's more than that. This statement is false, right? So like that, we interpret the graph. Now, next double bar graph. Double bar graph is what? The same type of things will be there. But here you can analyze two different data together. Okay, like here we are analyzing uh, subject marks into different sessions, like in 2005, 6 and 6, 7. Okay, by obtained by a student. Fine. Now, what is the information given by double bar graph? This double bar graph is showing the marks obtained by a student in session 2005, 6 and 6, 7. In which subject has the performance improved the most? Performance improved the most means child score good mark in this session. Okay. So here you can see in 2006, 7, in math, child scored good marks. Okay, so in 2000, in which subject? Subject means math. In which subject has the performance deteriorated? It means the performance declined. So where performance declined? Here. Here you can see this is declining. So in English. Right? Next, in which subject is the performance at par? It means same here, Hindi. Right? Understood how we analyze this? Okay. Yes, children. So that's all for today. So take care and do revise.